In this video, we're going to look at managing projects, which includes creating, editing, and deleting projects and versions, and also how to manage sharing. After logging in, you'll land on the Projects page. This lists all of your firm's projects. It's good to remember that in Compass, you're acting on behalf of your firm. Any changes you make, like adding, removing, or editing a project, are for your firm and will be visible to all members of your firm. Similarly, any changes made by your colleagues will also affect you. You can get back to this page at any point by clicking on the Projects button in the navigation bar. Let's get started by creating a new project, which you can do from the drop-down menu or from the button at the bottom of the projects list. You will need to provide some basic information to create a profile for the new project. You can edit these values at any point by clicking on Edit after the project's name in the project list. Next, we'll need to add a version to the project. Versions allow us to have different iterations of the same project grouped together. For example, a project can have a version for our SD, DD, and IFC models for this project, or we can create a version for every ECM iteration run, all neatly organized under this project. This is also where you can choose which versions anonymize data to share in the public views. You can only pick one version to share per project, but you can also choose not to share any version. You should be picking the final and most accurate model to share. Back to our example. Click Add a version. I'll call this version 1 and label it as a design exploration. We also need to provide the code that the reference building is modeled to. In my case, it's NECB 2017. You can edit these values at any point by clicking on Edit after the version's name in the project's version list. We're now ready to upload our modeling results files, which will be covered in the next video. You can delete a project or version by clicking the Delete button in the project list or version list views and confirming the deletion.